Good evening. My name is Edward. If you don't know who I am already, please refer to a video recently uploaded by Everything Credit. That being said, I'm a part-time whistleblower speaking out against Pinnacle Credit Repair and identify as an A10 warthog. The reason for this video, I wanted to share my incredible and wonderful experience with David Stanley and David Payne, thus far. Before we do that, I am not being compensated in any way, shape, or form, nor have I been induced into making this video. It's a willful act I took upon myself. I'm actually paying for a certified mail in exchange for helping them take down Andre of Pinnacle Credit Repair, which, mark my words, will absolutely happen. Just wait. So he's doing it for free. Free credit repair, because David Payne and David Stanley care about their cause. They care about helping people, and they're extremely passionate and trying to equalize the credit repair industry and bring back its integrity, if you will. It's a monumental task that is a lot to take on, and these gentlemen are doing it for free. Mind you, they're business owners, and they've got time, expenses, and family to take care of. They've accepted me with open arms, treated me with respect, empathy, and compassion to the highest degree. These are gentlemen that I now refer to as friends and look forward to developing a very long-term relationship with. Again, free credit repair. The reason why I am not going into detail about results is because the first round of disputes were recently sent out, so there's no results to speak of. I will be doing an updated video. These two gentlemen are second to none, operate with the highest degree of integrity, and I have only good things to say about them. Have a good evening.